ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
dramas, Swami was asking us to compose a song on Vivekananda, and thank God I was not getting any tune. And he started calling us for interview, and daily he would ask. And then, because daily you have to show him some tune, you can't show the same tune daily. You can't compose also daily. So, you show one paragraph today, one paragraph, next day, one more paragraph, and continue with one song in so many ways. And he's actually, where people are thinking that amazing things are going on, he's actually giving us chances. Please be sure that every chance that a human being got with Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba was because the human being needed it. Satya Sai Baba did not need it. He did not need to call us. He did not need to talk to us. He did not need to look at us. But the fact is, as he says, if you look at me, I look at you. The fact is also that if you don't look at me, I still look at you. But unfortunately, you then don't know that I look at you. So if you want to know that I look at you when you look at me, please look at me. As simple as that. So many people, they don't look at God, and then they don't know that God is always looking at them. It's not that when you look at me, I look at you. He's always looking at you. When you look at me, you feel me. He told to make this Vivekananda song, and we were showing so many songs, each day one song, and then Swami will listen. See, he also knows, he wants to give chance. God knows how many births I would have prayed for that. So, this fellow should sit and sing. Finally, I will say that this is not good. Okay, but first I will hear the whole song. So, he will hear the whole song patiently, nicely, then say, no, not good, not this, do that, change this. And I remember what happened was, then one day Swami said, wait, I will give you. So I will just switch over to the other mic. So Swami, in one of the interviews, Swami said, I am going to give you the tune. So Swami started. Swami is so human, so sweet, so beautiful. He said, Mat ja, mat ja, mat ja. Then he said, you got it? Then I was just staring at Swami, what to tell. Then he said, Mat ja, mat ja, mat ja. Rest you make it, Swami told. So I said, hey, this is too much. Back to square one. So then I thought, okay, no, he has given me a hint. When Swami gives a hint, you must catch it. So naturally, Matja is the clue. So I went and searched around Matja. There must be songs, and I found one song. Beautiful song. By some lady singer. I don't want to name the lady, but there was a singer and professionally recorded song. Now I got it off next day only. And then now that song was little difficult, and I thought I cannot really sing it and show it exactly, so it will not be good. So what to do? And that day the winter vacation began, and Swami had called all the students in the Purnachandra to give clothes. So Swami is calling each one to the stage and giving clothes, and all are going home for vacation. And that morning, Swami has called me for an interview. And previous evening, and this song I have got it. So I was not knowing how to convey it to Swami. So when I went to take that cloth from Swami, as Swami was giving, Swami just looked at me and told, what happened? He was also so anxious because he had told, song, Vivekananda song I will give. And he was not giving, and I was not making. I was not yet in tune with him. If you are in tune, you surrender, he helps you. So, I just looked at Swami and told Swami, I got off the song. I got off the song. Can I was just telling Swami, evening, get it in the evening, Swami told. Get it in the evening. I said, yes, Swami. And just went off. Nobody else noticed that Swami has told this. Evening, what do? So I take a small Walkman with the cassette of that song recorded, placed exactly there. And went, Swami called us for the interview. And then I would get the opportunity of sitting at his right side, because I'll sit there and I can keep just lifting my face and singing into his ear. And he doesn't want everything to be sung very loudly also. People outside should not hear. No, it should be a good secret. People should be surprised on the final day when you sing things. So, softly. So I would get an opportunity. That was a great opportunity to sit right next to him. So I sat there, and then Swami looked at me, as if, what is it? Have you got it? And I said, yes, Swami. And then I switched on the Walkman and put it right next to Swami's ear. Actually, Swami made a fantastic pun on it, but I don't want to make the pun because it includes the singer's name. Mat ja, mat ja, mat ja. It started like that. When I just started, Swami told, like that. He made a face. Over. The job was done. Who sang this? Swami told. I said, XYZ. XYZ, he said, and finished the whole. He made a fantastic pun on the singer, and over. We were back to square one. Don't know what to do. And then the deal has to be made. So it was already into November, and Swami had already called us for so many times, giving us fantastic chances to experience Him. Because that's what we can do with God. So, I didn't know what to do, so at that time then I sang off some other song. In the same drama there was a song for Kabir Das. Chalti chakki dekh kar diya Kabira roye, do patan ke beech mein साबत बचा न कोई, दो दिन का जग. I started this. Swami heard it, very happy, and actually he had heard it for 10 times before that also. Can you beat it? Only God does this. Every time he hears it, it's like he's hearing it for the first time. The expression on his face is like that of a child, with full innocence, listening to it for the first time, because he needs to give me chance there. So he's again listening as if it was the first time. He heard it very nice, and he said, yes, put this song for this one, Vivekananda. Then we all looked at each other, because this was Kabir's song in the same drama. One song vanished, one song came, and one song vanished. What to do now? For Kabir we have to sing some other song. So I had a diary with some other written songs. I just sang a few lines of another Kabir song. And Swami listened to it and told, no. Means I was wanting that to be okayed for Kabir. He said, no, this is not nice. Then some other song for Kabir, he okayed. The interview was ending. It was 10th, 11th or 12th of November. I don't know. It was very late. And Vivekananda's song is not fixed. So, just when the interview was ending, our Prashanti Nilayam warden, who was there that time, and he thought, this is the way to clinch the deal. Because once Swami says, Chalti Chakki is Vivekananda, let it be. No? What does it matter what people think? So, just when the interview was ending, Swami says, see, our warden sir said, Swami, so he Chalti Chakki, a song, Vivekanand. He was trying to indicate to Swami that song can we have for Vivekanand. See how beautiful Swami is, no? He knows exactly what to do when. So Swami heard him, what? Swami, the Chalti Chakki song we'll have for Vivekananda. Chha, donna pota, Swami told. That is Kabir song, Swami told. That is Kabir song. How you can have that for Vivekananda? Buddhi leda. Back to square one. What to do? Just then on the flute, there used to be a flute player outside and he starts playing something. He played something on the flute. And then Swami came near my ear and he told, like that, make something like that. And that's it. Because the interviews were over, the chances were over, he had decided that now it should be made. And when I went and sat in my room, I used to generally lock myself. Every song used to be either some tears should come out or some food should be skipped or you should just lock yourself till something comes out. And then the next day Swami was very happy because I knew that he has given that song. It went like, Chal re man, 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 apne धाम चल रे मन अपने धाम इस जग में परदेस है बंदे इस जग में परदेस है बंदे भटक रहा क्यों सुबह और शाम भटक रहा क्यों Swami was very happy and he said, yes, this is the song. And from then onwards, of course, there were so many times that he made us sing this song. If you look back deeply at it, he could have done it the first day, but he wanted to give us an opportunity. He is giving opportunity to lift mankind. To take time to lift you, it gives you an opportunity to experience joy. What if he had come first day and just said, arise, awake, and here you are, all of you become self-realized? He could have done that. He can do it. All that power is there. But what about the many promises he has given to the many devotees in many lifetimes? I want to experience you. I want to sit with you. I want to feel you. To fulfill all of those things, God, the human, God the humorist, he also becomes God, the below human, meaning it looks as if he's doing things which should not be done. Oh, he's delaying. Why? To give chance to somebody who has prayed. For everything that Swami did throughout his avatar, there was a prayer of some devotee.
My